Hello, good morning, Namaskar, dear friends. In previous classes, we studied about overview of brain, in which brain, a spinal cord, parts of brain, bones, etc. Today, we will discuss about cerebellum. Cerebellum is known as short brain और लघु मस्तिष्क. इसका वजन लगभग 150 ग्राम होता है. The cerebellum or little brain is a fist size portion. Fist size. Fist means average. Fist means average, as like our palm. So cerebellum is a fist size portion of brain located at back of the head, below the temporal and occipital region and above the brain stem. cerebellum और लिटिल ब्रेन हमारे मस्तिष्क ब्रेन के पिछले भाग में टेम्पोरल एंड ऑक्सीपिटल लोब में पाया जाता है, जो ब्रेन स्टेम के ऊपर होता है. बिलो द टेम्पोरल एंड ऑक्सीपिटल लोब्स एंड एबव द ब्रेन स्टेम. एनाटॉमी ऑफ cerebellum can be viewed at three levels. At the level of gross anatomy, the cerebellum consists of a tightly folded and crumpled layer of cortex. Crumpled layer means crushed to form crease and wrinkles. Crushed to form crease and wrinkle. With white matter underneath, several deep nuclei embedded in white matter and a fluid called ventricle in the brain. Parts of brain. Parts of cerebellum. The cerebellum can also be divided by function. There are three functional areas of cerebellum: the cortex, the cerebrocerebellum, the spinocerebellum, and the vestibulocerebellum. Three functional areas of cerebellum: the cerebrocerebellum, the spinocerebellum, and vestibulocerebellum. Cerebrocerebellum is the largest division formed by the lateral hemisphere. In these three functional areas of cerebellum, cerebrocerebellum is the last division formed by the lateral hemisphere. Function of cerebellum. The cerebellum, which means little brain or laghu mastiks, is primarily involved in coordinating movement and balance. Means it responsible for the कोऑर्डिनेटिंग मूवमेंट एंड बैलेंस. जब हम खड़ा होते हैं या चलते हैं तो हमारे मूवमेंट और बैलेंस में ये सामंजस्य स्थापित करता है, कोऑर्डिनेट करता है. इट कैन ऑल्सो प्ले ए रोल इन कॉग्निटिव फंक्शन लाइक लैंग्वेज एंड अटेंशन. दिस इज डायग्राम. डिफरेंस बिटवीन cerebellum and cerebrum. Cerebrum is a large part of the brain containing the cerebral cortex. The cerebrum is the uppermost region of the central nervous system. Cerebellum, the human cerebellum, has the appearance of separate structure attached to the bottom of the brain, tucked underneath the cerebral hemisphere. This is difference between cerebrum and cerebellum. Arterial supply of cerebellum. The cerebellum is irrigated by three pairs of cerebral arteries: superior cerebral arteries, branch of basilar artery, irrigated superior surface of the cerebellum. Anterior inferior cerebellar artery, branch of basilar artery, supply anterior part of inferior surface of the cerebellum. Posterior inferior cerebellar artery, branch of vertebral artery, irrigates posterior part of the inferior surface of the cerebellum. So, three branches of or three arteries responsible for the blood supply to cerebellum: superior cerebral artery, inferior cerebral artery, and posterior inferior cerebral artery. In these three, superior cerebral artery and anterior inferior cerebellar artery is branch of basilar artery, and posterior inferior cerebellar artery branch of vertebral artery. So this is important for 1 marks question. Applied anatomy or clinical anatomy. Cerebellar lesion may occur due to trauma, vascular occlusion, tumor of other pathologies producing cerebellar syndrome. Cerebellar syndrome is grouped in three types: archaeocerebellar, paleocerebellar, and neocerebellar syndrome. Archaeocerebellar syndrome, paleocerebellar syndrome, neocerebellar syndrome, spinocerebellar ataxia, multiple sclerosis, paraneoplastic disorder, chronic alcohol abuse, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, Huntington's disease. These diseases are developed due to abnormal appearance, functions, or any external influence on the cerebellum. So, in short, we see in total heading cerebellum, definition, part, function of cerebellum, difference between cerebellum and cerebrum, arterial supply, applied anatomy. Many questions formed or related with the cerebellum for examination. What is cerebellum? Anatomical position or relation, parts, functional area, arterial supply, applied anatomy, including embryology and histology of cerebellum. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन और लाइक करना ही हमें प्रोत्साहित करता है कि मैं रोज़ अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियो बनाऊं। थैंक यू।